Have you ever caught yourself pouring your heart out to Siri or Alexa and wondered, is this what therapy feels like? If you think that's bizarre, buckle up because today, we're diving headfirst into the uncanny valley where AI meets human emotions. Yes, folks, we're exploring the quirky, sometimes awkward, but absolutely fascinating world of AI's impact on our mental health. So grab your popcorn or your emotional support pet because this journey is going to be a roller coaster of emotions and intellect. Let's start with a giggle. Imagine telling your deepest fears to a machine and it responds with, "Sorry, I didn't catch that." Frustrating? Yes. Hilarious? Absolutely. But beyond these laughable moments lies a groundbreaking revolution in mental health care. AI therapists, chatbots, and virtual counselors are no longer science fiction. They're here, listening, learning, and sometimes making us laugh at the irony of seeking emotional support from entities that can't feel emotions. Why is this important, you ask? Well, with the global surge in mental health issues, traditional therapy can't always keep up. There's stigma, high costs, and the daunting task of finding the right therapist. Enter AI, the tireless, judgment-free listener with an encyclopedia of mental health knowledge at its disposal. It's like having a therapist in your pocket, ready to chat whenever you need, without the worry of scheduling appointments or sitting in waiting rooms. But how effective is AI therapy, really? Studies show that AI can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, providing coping mechanisms and mindfulness exercises tailored to the user's needs. It's like having a personalized mental health toolkit, constantly updated as the AI learns more about you. And let's not forget the anonymity it offers, breaking down barriers for those who fear the stigma of seeking help. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Critics argue that AI can't truly understand human emotions or replace the nuanced understanding of a human therapist. There's also the Big Brother-esque concern about privacy. Can you trust your deepest secrets to a machine that might store your data? And then there's the humorously relatable glitches. Imagine pouring your heart out, only to receive a weather update. It's moments like these that remind us of the bizarre reality of confiding in machines. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of AI in mental health is its potential to democratize therapy. Imagine a world where mental health support is as accessible as a Google search, where anyone with a smartphone can receive help. It's a powerful vision, but it comes with its own set of ethical dilemmas and challenges. So, as we stand at the crossroads of technology and human emotion, we have to wonder, are we moving towards a future where emotional support is just a click away, or are we risking the essence of human connection in therapy? It's a question that doesn't have an easy answer, but it's a conversation worth having. In conclusion, the impact of AI on our mental health is as complex as the human mind itself. From laughable glitches to groundbreaking therapy alternatives, AI is reshaping how we approach mental health care. It's a brave new world out there, and whether we're ready or not, AI is here to stay in the realm of mental health. So the next time you find yourself confiding in Siri, Alexa, or any other AI, remember, you're witnessing the evolution of therapy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll look back and laugh at how we ever doubted the potential of our tireless electronic therapists. Thank you for joining me on this thought-provoking journey. Remember, mental health is a journey, not a destination, and whether AI or human therapists guide you, the most important thing is seeking the help you need. Stay quirky, stay informed, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of psychology with a smile.